Yep. Back up a little bit. A little more. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Bam. Oh. Too far. Right. Up. One more. What? One more. Right there. Alright, boys. Let's go get ourselves a project. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Just a Tuvie. Today, we are back with Seth. Have they met you? Yes, yeah. They did. If you guys have not seen, I think it's 2 videos ago, click up here where he helped me go and pick up my block for my car. But today, since he helped me go get my part of my project, I'm going to help him. We are going to pick up a project for him. So, we're about, what, a minute away?
0.3 miles.
0.3 miles. So we are almost there. We're driving down the dirt road. We're going to go pick up his project. We'll see you in a second. After an hour and a half, it's finally on. What do you have to say, Seth?
Dodges are wide.
Dodges are thick with 5 C's.
Oh, go look in the glove box.
Go look in the glove box? Okay. Let's look in the glove box. I see what you're saying. Okay. This thing, it's got a hammer!
It's got a hammer!
Oh yeah, those aren't going on. Well, Seth, it's done. This was a pain, dude.
You're telling me.
Look at this fitment. That's the trailer. That's the Nerf bar, or side steps. Look at that. I can't even fit my finger in there. Seth, I need my wheel tuck like this.
Well, I mean, just go break another ball joint.
Hey, they haven't seen that video yet. Let's get the heck out of here.
Kind of thirsty. Whoa, look at this.
What is that? What? Hang on, do that again, do that again. Are those retract?
Yeah.
What?
That's dope as heck, bro.
That's cool. Oh, God. Bad idea. Hey, one of the speakers still work.
Yeah, the one in this door was working.
Oh, God, that sounds awful. This sounds terrible, Seth. We bought it for the Hemi, is how I am gonna try to translate that. Does the other window roll down?
No. This back door doesn't open up.
Trash. Why is the music still playing? I have the key.
I know, fix it.
Prior open. Look at that! It's got a Hemi! I hit my head.
It got a Hemi.
Boom. Radio off. Do not drop that on my head.
We'll stick the freaking electric, the negative in the fan.
Here, I got you.
Hope the fan don't come on.
I got you. I'm holding this with my head.
I guess we probably don't have to throw it there, it'll probably freaking rotate when it goes out the highway.
Ow. Ow.
Ah! We might need another zip tie.
We may need another zip tie.
I'll start.
She milky?
A little bit. But I don't know, it could just be bad oil.
Well, it'll buff.
When we get home, we'll drain the oil.
Alright.
That's one of the only things I want to do today.
Oh, God. She needs some hood struts. But, you know what? We're not keeping this body. We giving it to the good old LKQ. If you guys haven't seen that video, look up above. Is my girlfriend there? We got her some stuff.
Stuff.
No, not butt stuff, Seth. I did not get her butt stuff at LKQ.
Let's hit the road. Now we're driving back. Well, it'll probably be kind of
11:30.
11:30. Hey, we should be back by 2.
Jeez. Alright.
Alright.
Shut her down. Is that how you feel about today, Seth?
We'll just... This is a good day, man. It's a smiley face.
Oh my god. You just kiss the truck?
Yeah. I mean, do some other stuff later, but not
Okay.
Let's hit the road, man. Come on, let's get.
Oh! Not gonna lie, if they're looking at us through their window, they probably think we're retarded. This video is brought to you by the all wonderful Quick Trip
And Great Value drinking water.
We don't accept Great Value.
Fine. This is brought to you by Ozarka. Best water in the United States. I tell you what, made directly in Texas. Good old Texas.
America. Oh god.
You know, that's the thing, is like I don't have to put my foot above.
Oh, good lord. Woo-hoo. I will say, that truck does look really, 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 really nice. Let's see how bad she's squatting, guys. Oh, she ain't doing too bad. I mean, it ain't, it's squatting pretty bad. Good night. See guys, all of our tow straps here, they are OSHA approved. OSHA approved. We even got zip ties for safety. OSHA approved. Is that OSHA approved, Seth? See, your zip tie just wasn't tight enough. We would have got.
See, now we're good.
Now we're good. We would have got a strike for that from OSHA. See, now she's tight. Is it a happy day, Seth?
Man, it's so happy.
You gotta hear me! Woo! Let's go home.
Okay, I was about to say, did we grab that jack? Hey, we got a free pipe wrench out of the whole deal.
Woo! That is, wow. I don't think I've ever seen this truck so low. We do full sends around here. If you don't full send, don't send at all.
You know, like, you don't worry about how much you can pull. You just hook it up, and if it don't pull it, don't pull it, man.
Alright, see you back at the house. Oh man, we made it. How do you feel, Seth?
I don't want to talk about
Oh, she made it. That's knife clearance.
it. I might just get the cutoff wheel and cut those damn steps off. So I really
We
don't
might.
want to deal with that.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll make it a lot easier to get it off.
Well, boys, we made it home. We're gonna get this girl unloaded, and that's what I'm talking about.
See
Alright,
this?
what? Yeah.
What is this?
That's,
Like, it looks like the freaking SRT10 body kit.
it is. Cause look, it is.
Is it really?
Yeah, cause it's got this cutout right here for the exhaust.
Oh, for the duals?
Yeah. But
Oh,
for some reason they cut the body kit and put it here. That's kind of stupid. Alright, we're gonna get this thing unloaded and
Yep.
hopefully not break it in doing so. So, I'll put you guys down and we're gonna switch back to the phone and probably gonna time lapse this thing. This is probably gonna take a while. See you guys back on the phone here in a second. Alright, folks, welcome back to Just Tubey, where we customize our vehicles and we're already cutting stuff off. Next is the exhaust.
It doesn't even run.
Little buff. Mother! It's doing good until I ask you to get the camera. That's how it be sometimes. Good night! Kick it.
No.
Kick the trailer. Take that. Damn it! Get off of there.
Yay, there's one.
5 more to go.
Yep.
Sweet.
We're getting there.
I think I need sunglasses. I think I need some safety glasses for my head. OSHA.
Go get your face mask and put it on your head.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
You see, guys, COVID has been good for one thing, and that's it. Just kidding. I hate those masks.
That helmet. OSHA approved.
It's literally not covering your hair at all.
Oh, you know what? Better?
Sure.
Come here. Perfect. Here on Just Tubey, we cut stuff up. Just kidding. We kind of gotta. Ah, next. Come here. Damn it. Get off there.
I like the fireworks. How's your mask hat working for you, Logan?
It's decent. You know, actually, this isn't working at all because it's just burning through the mask. Damn it! Come on! Get in there!
Yeah, I guess it is paper, isn't it?
I mean, yeah.
Hey, you better not mess up my rockers, okay? I mean, we already got like a little two-tone paint job going on here. Okay, don't you mess up. Don't you mess up my beautiful paint.
You want that off of there? I can do some paint correction real quick. Wow, I made 2 completely different cuts.
What are you doing?
I don't even know anymore. Can't see a damn thing out of these glasses. Ah! Yeah! Put in my ear!
Okay. You see? Fitment is key. You see how that looks? You see that little wheel gap right there, man? Fitment. Yes.
I think we're through. Nope! Almost.
Mm.
Whoa, there
geez.
she goes.
That thing's under some pressure.
A little bit. Oh. Oh,
That should be able to just...
oh, yeah, just rip her off. Woo! Hey, now it's easy to cut. Right there. Or just...
There's a little sand in there.
A little bit. We're already lifting the truck.
That's hot.
A little bit.
A little bit. Let me see that.
You got it.
fabricator. Oh.
Well, almost.
What the heck?
One more little cut. There we go. We're used to cutting off metal things off of our vehicles, like exhaust and stuff.
Off of Hemi trucks, actually.
Well, guys, first modification to the new project truck. We cut the steps off. Weight reduction at its finest. Get out of here. Oh, I didn't even kick it. Get out of here. With all your weight. We can't go run 14s with all of this weight. Go get. Oh, I didn't even kick it. Go get. See? We're knocking off all the dirt and rust and all kinds of stuff. That's all weight. That's not how you go fast, boys. You gotta kick the mark. Hip. Sometimes you gotta kick the rocker panels. If you don't get that reference, I'll flash that that meme I found the other day right up there on the screen. Tell you what, this makes me miss my old truck. All right, boys, that's a wrap.
Yeah.
On today.
Yeah.
It's freaking hot. Truck's done. Truck is off. The trailer's back. We're just getting everything cleaned up. All right. I got work in 4 hours.
Can you count that high?
I don't know. I went to Mulvana. I don't know what that is. Yep. All right, boys. We're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see on the next one, and we'll see you next time. Adios.